Pop, pop. Clap, clap.
Welcome to TFBTV's coverage of SHOT Show 2026, presented by 511 Tactical.
Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV here at Beretta Range Day SHOT Show 2026 with Chisel. We are looking at some new handguards from Chisel. We saw stocks last year. You guys really have taken off. Like, I think you've got Beretta, you've got Mossberg. I mean, everyone who's anyone is now using the Chisel stocks.
Correct.
That you showed us last year, but this year now it's handguards, and we have a few different options. Walk us through, please.
Yep, so we came out with a handguard this year in both the 12 gauge and for the new A300 20 gauge. For the 12 gauge, we have them in both this carbon fiber top that you see here. We also have an aluminum top version of this. The bottom portion is 6061 aluminum, so it's rugged, it's sturdy. But the one thing that we've integrated just recently is there was a lot of demand for M-LOK on the bottom, but we took it a step further is we developed what we're calling Integrail on the bottom. So we've got this dovetail, and that's going to allow for a variety of bottom-mounted accessories. What we came up with here, this was just a quick hand stop that we came up with before SHOT Show, but bottom grips, bottom rails, potential light attachments. So this rail, instead of just being able to use an M-LOK slot every inch or so, you'll get an infinite adjustment on the bottom of this.
That's really cool. You're calling that Integrail.
Integrail.
If there's one thing that I love more than a great shotgun, it's a great portmanteau. Continue.
And then of course we've got the top cover, aluminum or carbon fiber, allowing for a good seat clamp up top, no more burning your hands, violin, reloading, whatever you want to do, we've got you covered.
This is for the A312 or 20 gauge.
Correct.
1301?
1301 in the 12 gauge, yep.
I know this shit's going to be expensive as hell with the carbon fiber. Level with
carbon fiber is more expensive. It's about $400 for the carbon fiber.
That's nuts.
It's not bad. $300 for the aluminum. But the beauty of this handguard is it's the only handguard out that can be used on both the A300 or the 1301 without having to make any other modification.
Wait. So I'm buying the same SKU.
Same SKU.
Whether I have an A300 or 1301.
That's correct.
Oh, okay. Well, that's incredible.
That's
anything else we need to know about this handguard before I shoot this thing?
No. It's feels great. It's comfortable, nice and textured. You're going to love it.
Release date?
It's already out.
Great. You guys heard it here. So I'm going to go ahead, rip a few rounds in this thing. Stay tuned because we're going to bring you another handguard from Aridus, which is also here at Beretta Range Day. All right, well, Adam, tell me about, since they're about to kick us out here, tell me about everything coming out for the 1301 and the A300 from Aridus this year.
Sure thing. So the big focus this year is really bringing the A300 Ultimate Patrol up to speed. So we've had our Imperium handguard for a year now for the Beretta 1301 Tactical. The A300 is a little bit of a different setup, required us to replace the factory piston stop. So it's taken about a year of R&D to get that figured out. Finally nailed it, so we're going to be looking to release the A300 compatible Imperium handguard. Also along with that is we've got a charging handle that's designed specifically for the A300. That's another one of the parts that are a little bit different from the 1301. And then some of the other 1301 parts are also cross-compatible with the A300. So our co-witness ready optic mount, the bolt release, our quick detach carrier as well. So got a few options and really just trying to narrow the gap between what we have to offer for the 1301 versus the A300, and just giving that extra support for kind of the lower price point model that is very attractive out of the A300.
Yeah, sure. And when I think of Aridus, I definitely don't think of low price point, let's be honest, but
Sure.
That's because you're not selling a crap product. So we got to talk not only release date, but pricing on these. Give us the bad news.
Yeah, well, the bad news is it's not really too bad. Our parts fall in line pretty well with what a lot of the market is. So the MSRP on the Imperium handguard for the 1301 Tactical is $300. That same exact model is going to be what we're going to use on the A300 as well. The difference is we will have to supply an extra piston stop for the A300. That's looking like the price is going to be about $30 on that extra part to make it compatible. So, you save a little bit of money on the A300. It might cost a couple more dollars to get it up to speed. Charging handle and bolt release, everything else is the same price point as the 1301 models. So $80 for the charging handle, $75 on the bolt release. You can get package deals to bring all that MSRP down. But just trying to continue the support forward for all the different models.
Sure, and I appreciate it. I know my viewers appreciate it. And guys, we appreciate you watching TFBTV's SHOT Show 2026. Stay tuned. We're bringing you more from Beretta Range Day.